This is the beginning of the septic system. Our septic comes out of the house right here. We're going to be digging that line here. I believe our tank's going to be somewhere around this area here. All out that way is where we're going to run 4 100-foot runs to the leach field. Digging to find out where the line is. We found it. Now we're going to dig from there so we can look it up. A little update on the hole there. See Josh patting down the dirt. How far we've made it so far. Well, Josh is the best pipe layer around. Well, we was using the tractor to dig out the tank. It's doing pretty good. Until we sprung the leak, somehow a lot of water started flowing out. And then I realized, oh no! We popped the rear end of the tractor. We'll have to fix that tomorrow. We ended up having to get a bigger excavator. Our little Chinese excavator wasn't going to dig this deep. So we're about 10 foot in the ground, something like that. That way we can set this big old tank in it. Setting the septic tank. So we have the septic system set, the septic tank is set, and now we're going to dig out the distribution box. So what he's doing is he's taking the trench straight back, about 50 foot, and then we're going to put the distro box in. So right here is where we've laid the pipe from the line coming out of the house into the tank. From the tank, where you've taken the pipe, and we've trenched it about 50 foot to the distro box. Then down here is where the distro box is sitting at. We've also piped the 3 of the 4 leach fields out already, and we've covered up most of them. Here is what they look like as they're going out. There's a backfilling. The backfill portion of the job is the best part of the job there is. When you've got proper planning and the right people around you, this is the most exciting part, because all of that hard work is done, and now you can see that you've actually got everything done. I don't know if me personally will ever do this again, but I'm glad that we were able to do this ourselves and just knock it out. Hope you guys enjoyed it.